What if I told you there's treasure buried in your backyard, and it's ready to dig up in just a few months? No, I'm not talking about gold. I'm talking about something even more satisfying: fresh, homegrown potatoes. And the truth is, most gardeners miss the perfect harvest window and lose half their crop. Today, I'll show you exactly how long it takes to grow potatoes, and the little signs that tell you it's time to grab your shovel. Stick with me because at the end, I'm going to reveal a secret trick that tells you to the day when to dig them up. Potatoes don't all grow at the same speed. The timing depends on the variety. Early season potatoes, sometimes called new potatoes, can be ready in as little as 70 days. These are perfect if you want a quick crop for summer. Salads, main season varieties, on the other hand, take their time, needing about 90 to 120 days to reach full size. These are the ones you store for months over winter. The process starts as soon as you plant your seed potatoes in soil that's at least 7 degrees Celsius or 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Any colder, and the sprouts will sit there sulking instead of growing. The first few weeks are all about building leaves and stems. You won't see a single potato yet. It's like setting the stage before the big show. After the leaves are established, the plant switches gears. This is the stage gardeners call tuber initiation. Small potatoes are so tiny you could mistake them for marbles. It start forming underground. Once you see flowers on your potato plants, you can be sure this stage is in full swing. But those flowers aren't just for show. They're a sign that your plant has moved into the bulking phase, where the potatoes start gaining size fast. Think of it like filling a balloon. At first, it's just a small lump, but given time, it grows round and plump. Underground, your potatoes are doing exactly that, with the skin starting to toughen as they mature. That skin thickening is what lets you store them for months without them shriveling. So how do you know when the magic moment has arrived? It's actually simpler than most people think. First, watch the leaves. When they turn yellow and start wilting, the plant is signaling that it's done feeding the tubers. The flowers will have dropped off by now, too. Second, do a quick test dig on one plant. Pull up a potato and rub the skin with your thumb. If it rubs off easily, they need more time. If the skin stays put, they're ready for harvest. If you're after small, tender new potatoes, you can gently dig around the plant about 2 weeks after flowering starts. But for full-sized, long-lasting storage potatoes, patience is the key, and wait until the plants have completely died back. When it's time to harvest, choose a dry day. Wet soil clings to the tubers and encourages rot. Use a digging fork instead of a shovel to avoid slicing into your potatoes. Start about 30 centimeters, or a foot, away from the plant's base, and gently lift the soil. Shake off the excess dirt, but don't wash the potatoes. Moisture can shorten their shelf life. Lay them out in a single layer somewhere cool, dark, and well ventilated for about 2 weeks. This curing period lets the skins toughen even more, sealing in freshness. Once cured, store them in paper bags, burlap sacks, or crates in a cool, dark place. Under the right conditions, they'll last for months, giving you fresh potatoes long after the growing season ends. Remember that treasure I promised at the start? This is it. And here's my secret timing trick. When the leaves yellow, don't dig right away. Wait exactly 2 weeks before harvesting. That short wait toughens the skins, boosts flavor, and gives you a potato that stores far better. So yes, the gold buried in your backyard isn't metal. It's fresh, homegrown food you raised with your own hands. And to me, that's priceless. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more gardening secrets, and let me know in the comments. How do you love to cook your homegrown potatoes?